Well, this article here, if you ever thought of karma, does it exist? Well, stick around, man. Maybe karma does exist. Remember that article? New York City man accused of smearing feces on woman's face has own face scalded with boiling water in jail. A New York City man accused of smearing feces on a New York City subway rider had his face scalded with boiling water from another inmate after another inmate attacked him at Rikers Island. Fox News Digital has learned Frank Abrokwa, 37, is expected to have permanent facial scarring after an inmate who goes by the name of Burns, attacked him with boiling water at the Anna M. Kross Correctional Facility. A jailhouse source confirmed to Fox. You can't make this stuff up, right? The guy's name is Burns and he attacked him. In February, Abrokwa allegedly defecated in a bag before he approached a 43-year-old woman who was sitting on a bench inside a brown subway station at East 241st Street. Yep, that's up there by White Plains Road, and up there in Wakefield section of the Bronx, and struck her in the face and the back of the head with human feces, police have said. A video of the attack shows Abrokwa standing behind the woman as he continues to strike her in the head before walking away. According to local reports, he had tried hitting on the woman minutes earlier. Abrokwa was charged with assault, reckless endangerment, menacing, disorderly conduct, and harassment. However, he was released without bail. Imagine that? Due to the non-violent nature of the misdemeanor. Really? You call that non-violent? Smearing somebody in their face with feces? Abrokwa was being held on bail at the facility, right? On the infamous Rikers Island for an unrelated incident where he allegedly shattered a glass window with a dumbbell at the Treasure Island storage facility in Harlem after his release for the alleged feces attack. Wow, this guy sure gets around. He's all over the place, you know? Smearing people with feces, attacking somebody in Brooklyn, up in Harlem, causing trouble. The 37-year-old reportedly has a rap sheet going back to the 1990s with at least 20 unsealed prior arrests and charges consisting of robbery, assault, forcible touching, criminal possession of stolen property, and aggravated harassment, police said. Yeah, well, he got what he deserved, you know? Yep. So he got permanent damage to his face now. Hot water in his face. Huh. How you like that, Mr. Feces Smearer?